Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. I would want you to vote. I want you to vote 100% on the comment section. Welcome back, everyone who had been under the sound of my voice, who have been my subscriber. Thank you so much for my returning viewers. I really appreciate you because without you, there is no me. Here is where the truth is proclaimed and love is shared. We preach liberty to the oppressed. We don't keep quiet until things are done right. Right, I have been talking about the people of the governor of Ogun State, Prince 𝘧𝘰𝘢𝘥𝘰𝘮, the man you are seeing on the screen here. I'm talking about him. It's not just that I hate him. I did not hate anybody. I love everyone. But the things that are being done wrongly are the things I am still talking about every time. And I will not keep quiet. I will not keep silent. I am not from Ogun State, neither from Ibadan. I am not from Oyo State, no. I am an Igbo man. I came from the hottest bit of Igbo land. Yes, I am a Biafran. By blood, by birth, everywhere, I'm a Biafran. My mother did not come from Yoruba or Hausa. My mother is a Biafran woman. My father did not come from Hausa or anywhere else except Biafra. So, the whole of my blood, the water inside my blood is still Biafran blood. And I'm not ashamed to say I'm a Biafran guy because the Biafran attitude runs into me. We don't keep quiet when we see things going wrong, no matter even if you have your gun, we don't care. Know why I'm talking about Ogun State? Many people from the south and the southwest may not like to gather this momentum to say it. They are afraid. They are very much afraid. That is why they say, some people say, whenever you are dealing with people that are from south, be very careful, be at the back. Because if you hear pa, you see the person from the south side that was shouting, hey, Kobe, hey, Oshebe, hey, it will disappear. That is life there. They fear to die. But we Biafrans, we don't fear to die. We fear not to do what is right. I am a Biafran. I talk about 𝘭𝘰𝘢𝘥𝘰𝘮. Forgive me, I have not insulted anybody. As a man of God, the nation that came from God, I need to be on the proper side. I want you to vote today. If really this 𝘭𝘰𝘢𝘥, this governor 𝘭𝘰𝘢𝘥 is doing well, 𝘭𝘰𝘢𝘥 governor Prince 𝘧𝘰𝘢𝘥𝘰𝘮 is a governor of Ogun State, and we have another governor of Oyo State. I am going to show you two videos to start voting now. Their roads, which are good, are bad. I have the roads from 𝘭𝘧 local government and outside 𝘭𝘧. I have the ones from Ogumaki. Ogumaki is just 3 minutes drive to Ibadan, Oyo State.
This is Ogumaki.
Let's see. Let us see the one from the road that is in 𝘭𝘧 local government.
Ogumaki is in Ogun State.
Just
this is Ogun State.
Watch. I want you at the end of this place, tell me the best governor. Is it the governor of Ogun State or the governor of Oyo State? Now let us watch the governor of Ogun State, their road.
No, I'm recording this water how it is. That everywhere don't bafuka finish. This is Akute Junction under bridge. Water don't carry everywhere.
Thank you so much.
See, water don't carry everywhere.
This is a road that belongs to Ogun State. Okay, let us watch the one from Oyo State, Ibadan. Ibadan, because our correspondent went to those areas to capture what is going on in Ibadan, how their road is. Watch Ibadan, Oyo State road. Thank you so much. You can now vote which state is the best state when it comes to between Ibadan, Oyo State, and Ogun State. Just give me your vote here. This is the best state. But as for me, I am voting Oyo State as the best governor that build best roads. Dapo Abiodun, the governor of Ogun State, is not doing well when it comes to the road. It's not doing well. If you believe what I am saying, I would want you to comment. Give your comment on the comment section. But before then, if you have not subscribed to this channel, deem it right to subscribe. Hit on the bell icon so that you'll be getting notification. We'll be going to other states. Our correspondent is getting across all the 36 states of Nigeria. We are reporting anything that is in the state that is not good. We will continue reporting it until things are done right. We cannot continue being the third world war country. The third world country, no, we cannot. All of us are traveling. We that are in the UK, Canada, Europe, and all the rest, we know what is right. And when we come back here, evil will enter into our heads and we start misbehaving. Those that cannot purge away the evil, things must be done right. This is wonderful love. Keep on subscribing, keep on sharing. This is where truth is prime, unadulterated truth. We disseminate love here and liberate the oppressed. God bless all of you. Stay tuned. Till next time.